David and Dan, the writers, told me, they said, you can't tell anyone now. You can't tell your mum, you can't tell your dad. One policeman knew. I was being a bit naughty, I was going over the speed limit.
Yeah.
And I feel the sirens go off behind me. And this policeman comes up, pulls me over, and he said, you do realise how fast you were going, and that's a bookable offence? And I said, yes, I'm very, very sorry, sir. And he said, look, there's two ways we could do this. You can either follow me back to the police station now and I book you in, or you can tell me whether you live in the next series of films. Now, I have to tell you, whether I take you into the police station depends on what your answer is. So I looked at him and went, I'm alive next season. And he goes, he says, on your way, Lord Commander. Keep the speed down this far south of the wall.
That's a great
Isn't
guy.
that brilliant?
That is a great guy.
Yeah.
I was